Hi everyone, it's Dr. Matt and I'm back this week with another video, some tips to help you with if you're suffering with those shoulder pains, numbness, pain and tingling going into the arms, into the hands, and generally just what's happening in the lower part of your neck. So if you're suffering with this and you tried the last two stretches that I showed you, I want you to piggyback off of those. If they didn't work, try these ones because this would be the next step that we would do. So there's an important muscle and it runs from the top of your head all the way down, attaches into the clavicle. So this muscle is called the sternocleidomastoid. So we call that the SCM for short. And the best way to stretch these, so if you're getting a lot of pain, let's say on your left shoulder, then what you want to do is you want to turn your head, you want to look all the way over your right shoulder and you want to arch back. So I'll turn to the side here. So you're looking all the way over your right shoulder, arching back a little bit, and as you do that, you should see the stretch in that muscle. And to overstretch, to get a little bit more out of there, you're going to put your hand on top of your left clavicle. You're going to hold it down, and that way you're really getting that deep stretch in through here. So you want to hold that for about 40 seconds, and then you can repeat as needed. And that will take the pull off of this, which takes the pressure off of the nerves and the blood vessels that go through your brachial plexus here at the bottom, which goes into the shoulders, into the back of the trap here, and into the arms. So definitely try that one, and you can do that on both sides to help. And the last thing I want to show you is something called a chin tuck, because a lot of these issues come from these muscles dragging you forward, which would be that SCM, but also poor posture, working at a desk, things like that. So what you can try also is the chin tuck. So from the front, it doesn't look like much, kind of looks like I'm double chinning myself. But if I do it from the side, you want to pull yourself back as if you have a string, and the string is literally pulling you back, so it's like everything is becoming flat. So you want to bring yourself back, you want to hold for 2 seconds and then let go, but don't bring yourself down, just let go of that position. So if I do it from the side again, you'll see it's starting from this position, it's bringing yourself back, hold for 2 seconds, and then let go. And then hold, let go. So you want to do that about 10 times. And you could do that throughout the day. I really like doing that when I'm driving against the headrest, and you can actually push against it. And that you'll notice you're going to strengthen a lot of also the muscles in and around your neck that hold that posture. So it actually brings back your posture, which everybody's always interested in. And if you want to piggyback off of that, then what you could do is bring your arms behind your head, and you're going to push back against your hands like so. So you're bringing your chin back, but then you're pushing back like this. So that's an easy way to. So try those, let me know how those goes. And on your next video, if that doesn't work, I got a couple more tips for you. All right, take care.